Topping our news this half hour, nurses at Rhode Island Hospital and Hasbro Children's Hospital could soon be headed to the picket lines as members of the local nurses union rejected a new 3-year contract offer from Lifespan.
Union will now issue a 10-day strike notice in the coming days. Eyewitness News reporter Julianne Lima in the newsroom this morning with the latest.
Well, Danielle and Patrick, an employee at Rhode Island Hospital, emailed us after that failed vote saying union members feel overworked and underappreciated. And now they're threatening to strike if their demands aren't met. There are more than 2,400 nurses and other health workers in the union. They've been in contract negotiations with Lifespan since their last agreement expired on June 30th. Union reps told the Providence Journal they couldn't provide the exact breakdown of the vote, but they did say this latest proposal was overwhelmingly rejected. The union is now calling on Lifespan officials to return to the bargaining table to continue negotiations and hopefully avoid a strike. The strike would start 10 days after the union decides to issue the notice. Union President Frank Sims issued a statement that reads, Lifespan's short-sighted and punitive policies on everything from safe staffing to sick time have a direct correlation to the remarkably high turnover rate we experience at Rhode Island Hospital. Health professionals are leaving at unprecedented rates because Lifespan fails to give caregivers the tools we need to do our jobs and offers a compensation and benefit package that is not fair to all healthcare workers. Now, we also reached out to Lifespan for comment, but we have not heard back yet. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Julianne Lima, Eyewitness News.